Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, June the 7th, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary. This one is very interesting, yes. And now it's time for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic. After the tectonic, I will do the last puzzle. It will be killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. But first, the tectonic number 4665. It will be 4665. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 16. Yes, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 16, so I don't think this will be a 4 stars, but I don't know. We will see. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more for 4 stars. If it's really a 4 stars, I do not know, but I'm guessing that this is an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single boxes? Because the single boxes are always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. Single box is always a 1. Alright. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? Here, a dual box. I see only one dual box. Yes, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 2 anymore, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Triple boxes then. Let me scan. Do we have any triple boxes here? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. The following question: do we have quadra boxes here? Quadra box. Nope. Well, here a quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, so those two boxes, the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, those two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here 2 numbers left for the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Okay, 1 quadra box. All right, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have the T shape. Here. Let me draw this here. All right. This is the T shape. When you see the T shape upside down, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as that box. T shape. All right. More T shapes. Another one. Yes. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. All right, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. All right. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 4. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 4. But also, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 there. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. And is connected with this box is also a 4. So one box left in this area. Quadro box for number 2. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Wow. Chain reaction. Alright. More L shapes. That's the question. Do we have more L shapes? No. No. Those are the L shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes or figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Only 4. Maximum is 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 in this L shape. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Well, this box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 1. So we have a pair. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 to 4. 3 to 4. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4, we have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 it goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 in this area, same area. So it's not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. And those two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area, 4 numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. These 3 this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So one digit left in this L-shaped area. 4 and number 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, a 4 could be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you, it's not a 4 stars worth. Yes. Yeah. Let me give this a 1 star. Not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, but a 1 star. But I'm faster than 15 minutes. So the indication is wrong. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye-bye for now.